Did you know that a tiny seed, once used as currency by ancient civilizations, could be the missing piece in your health puzzle? Stay with me until the end, because what I'm about to share might completely change how you think about your daily nutrition. These small powerhouses are hiding benefits that most people never discover. Chia seeds come from a plant called Salvia hispanica, native to Mexico and Central America. The Aztecs and Mayans valued these seeds so highly, they used them as currency and fuel for their warriors. The word Chia actually means strong in the Mayan language, and there's a fascinating reason behind that name. These ancient cultures recognized something that modern science is only now confirming through rigorous research. Let's talk about what makes chia seeds so remarkable for your cardiovascular system. These tiny seeds contain an impressive amount of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid. Research shows they may help maintain healthy blood pressure levels and support normal cholesterol function. The combination of omega-3s, magnesium, and potassium works together to promote overall heart wellness. This is particularly interesting for anyone looking to support their cardiovascular health naturally. Now here's something that will surprise you about digestive health. Chia seeds pack around 31 grams of fiber per 100 grams, which is absolutely remarkable. This fiber content includes both soluble and insoluble types that work differently in your digestive system. The soluble fiber helps slow down digestion and may contribute to feelings of fullness. Meanwhile, the insoluble fiber supports regular bowel movements and overall intestinal comfort. If you're finding this information valuable, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on health insights that could transform your well-being. Let's discuss the protein content that makes chia seeds stand out. With over 21 grams of protein per 100 grams, they provide all 9 essential amino acids. This complete protein profile makes them especially valuable for vegetarians, vegans, and athletes. The body uses these proteins for muscle maintenance, tissue repair, and countless other vital functions. This is why many fitness enthusiasts incorporate chia seeds into their pre- or post-workout nutrition. Here's where things get really interesting for weight management. When chia seeds come into contact with liquid, they can absorb up to 12 times their weight. This creates a gel-like consistency that expands in your stomach. Studies published in diabetes care journals have documented significant changes in weight and waist measurements among participants consuming chia seeds regularly. Another randomized study found that adding chia seeds to yogurt reduced caloric intake at the next meal while increasing satisfaction levels. The mineral content of chia seeds deserves special attention. They're loaded with calcium, providing about 631 milligrams per 100 grams. This makes them an excellent option for supporting bone and dental health without relying solely on dairy products. The manganese and phosphorus content helps protect cells from oxidative stress while maintaining strong bones. Plus, they contain meaningful amounts of iron, magnesium, zinc, and copper. Let's address the antioxidant properties that often get overlooked. Chia seeds contain various compounds that help neutralize free radicals in the body. These antioxidants may play a role in supporting cellular health and normal aging processes. Traditional uses across different cultures suggest they were valued for more than just their nutritional density. The omega-3 content particularly benefits brain function and cognitive processes. These essential fatty acids support the protective barriers around brain cells. They facilitate better communication between neurons, which may influence memory and concentration. This makes chia seeds an interesting addition for anyone focused on maintaining mental clarity. For those managing blood sugar levels, chia seeds offer potential benefits worth exploring. The fiber content helps regulate how quickly carbohydrates are broken down and absorbed. This slower digestion process may contribute to more stable glucose levels throughout the day. Health professionals often recommend 1 to 2 tablespoons daily for those monitoring their blood sugar. Regarding skin health, the protein and omega-3 combination in chia seeds supports tissue regeneration. The proteins help repair skin cells, while the healthy fats improve elasticity and moisture retention. Some people report improvements in skin texture and reduced irritation with regular consumption. The tryptophan content in chia seeds converts into serotonin and melatonin in your body. These compounds influence mood regulation, relaxation, and sleep quality. This makes them potentially helpful for managing everyday stress and promoting better rest. When it comes to energy and endurance, the Aztecs weren't wrong. Chia seeds provide sustained energy release due to their balanced macronutrient profile. Athletes have adopted them for improved protein absorption and steady fuel throughout training. Now for practical consumption guidelines. Experts recommend limiting intake to about 15 grams or 1 tablespoon daily. You can add them to salads, smoothies, puddings, soups, or baked goods. It's important to let them soak in liquid before eating or drink plenty of water if consuming them dry. This ensures optimal digestion and helps you get the most from their nutritional benefits. Be aware that excessive consumption without adequate hydration may cause digestive discomfort. People with certain intestinal conditions should consult healthcare providers before adding chia seeds to their diet. The fiber content can also affect medication absorption, so spacing consumption by 2 to 3 hours from medications is advisable. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health insights that actually matter.